Hi, in front of me is KRUGER MATZ Move 9, and today I would like to show you how you can download pictures from Instagram. Firstly, open Play Store. Then type repos for Instagram and download this app from this developer. Now open it and go into Instagram. Choose a photo that you want to download and tap on the three dots in order to tap on Share To and pick Repost app. Now go back to the app, click one of the options and tap on the photo that you want to download. Click on the square icon to remove the label and tap the middle button. Click Allow. And now when I go into, for example, Files and choose Images, I can see that my photo was successfully downloaded. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!